Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am sharing a product from a brand that I've never tried out before for the very first time. This is the r.e.m Beauty Midnight Shadows Lustrous Liquid Eyeshadow. And as you can see, the packaging is so beautiful. It retails for $17. You get 0.13 ounces of product. Here is the doe foot applicator. I'm going to go ahead and swatch this Eyeshadow COMET for you. It's described as a metallic champagne shade. There are 11 shades to choose from, but I chose this one because I want to do cut crease with it, and I think it will be beautiful. As you can see, that was my look before I applied the product. I'm going to go ahead and use a precise kind of flat brush to create that cut crease, just because I want to see if I can build this product. This is my very first time on camera using this product, so I wanted to see if I could build it, which I can. And let's go ahead and talk about this product. It is described as a liquid eyeshadow that offers long wearing, which I can attest to, powerfully pigmented, as you can see, so pigmented, waterproof shadow in a luxe gel formula. And it's so beautiful and long lasting and easy to use and blendable. And I just am so excited and happy that I stumbled upon it. You can purchase it at Ulta, that's where I purchased it, or their own website, but I'm obsessed. As you can see, there are 11 shades to choose from, but this one is just my favorite. I think it's perfect. As you can see, no transfer, but this is the end product with my false lashes. And this is the shadow that I've actually been reaching for other than my regular shadows. This is the first liquid eyeshadow I've ever used, and I think I'm not going back. But especially for that kind of metallic look. I'm so happy that she created these. They're so cute for even your vanity. This is what it looks like from face view. But that was my video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it helped you out in any way that it could. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Check out my other playlists. And I will see you guys all next time in my next one. Bye, guys.